That right is big. Is there fish or not? Yeah. What's the fish at? Easy. Not easy. Front of the boat. Cool. You caught a muskie. Hey, this bird's fucking pulled up here just for a little bit. Right? Dude, it's videoing. Alright, we're up here at Depere fishing. Fish meat for dinner is on the board. And musky. Didn't think it could be done. But he's got a muskie.
First ever muskie.
First ever muskie.
That was cool because it was like I had the rod in my hand and I was like messing around with something and it was just like and I was like, is that the bottom? And then it was like nah, that's a fish. Hey, what is up, folks? Thanks for watching the video so far. We're gonna go through on what we're doing here. So first of all, we're running these reef runners here. This angle type bill really digs down, and we're running them about from the range of about 15 to about 30 feet back, and that allows them to get down. We're in about a depth range of about 6 to 10 feet of water, so that allows these baits to get right where they need to be. We're running, I believe, 12-pound test to a snap swivel and then hooking those on, and we got them on some 9-foot medium heavy, just regular trolling rods with the Daiwa reels here, and we're trolling at about 2 to 1.8 miles per hour, and just kind of sticking in that depth range. And we got the drag set down pretty low, so that way if a big fish hits like that muskie that we got, it won't just snap the line off, since we're only using 12-pound tests and they got them sharp teeth. So we are here out on Depere Dam and on the Fox River, and just seeing what wants to bite. So that's what we're doing. I hope it helps you in some way or form. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. You take my hand.